Justin,
Yes, sir.
what's your content tip of the week?
All right, so this week I want to talk about knowing your audience. So this kind of fits in with what we talked about last week and talking about analytics and going through your analytics and seeing whether or not photo or video content is what works best for you. Now, if you're out there doing this yourself and you're doing your own social media marketing for your own business, I applaud you. Congrats. This is really going to help you because, no matter what type of content you're posting, whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok even, whether or not people are engaging with it at all, or maybe they are, but just not as much as you would like them to, you have an audience. So in order to, know what your audience wants and, keep the attention of your audience, you need to know who it is and what they want to see. Generally, a lot of consumers, people going through social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, whatever, when engaging with business profiles and stuff on Instagram or whatever, they typically want to see a coherent brand identity. If you have multiple social handles, let's say your business is on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, you need to have a clear, coherent voice all across the board. And if you have that, you're going to be you're going to be in a better off position in terms of having brand relevance and establishing that and continue to grow that. So being able to know your audience is really key in content marketing, especially with content development. As I said, in creating your brand identity and having that brand relevance across the board. Being able to know your audience as well is going to help, solidify getting faster follower retention and having, followers keep coming back, and hopefully those followers convert to consumers and they actually come back to buy your product. And it's going to boost your social metrics across the board and kind of really pinpoint your strong points in your content and your social media marketing strategies. So that way you're, effectively getting organic growth or, paid ad growth down to a T, and you're not, wasting money in areas that you shouldn't. So know your audience, because if you don't, then you're just posting content for no one. I'll take a one take. All right.
Take 4.
No, let's take one.
Well, technically it's take like 5.
Whatever.